God made you. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. It is an exhilarating experience to live the new life, with Christ inside me enabling me to live it. As a man was riding along in his Ford, suddenly something went wrong. He got out and looked at the engine, but he could find nothing wrong. As he stood there, another car came in sight, and he waved it down to ask for help. Out of a brand new Lincoln stepped a tall, friendly man who asked, "Well, what's the trouble?" "I cannot get this Ford to move," was the reply. The stranger made a few adjustments under the hood and then said, "Now start the car." When the motor started, its grateful owner introduced himself and then asked, "What is your name?" "Sir, my name," answered the stranger, "is Henry Ford." The one who made the Ford knew how to make it run. God made you and me, and He alone knows how to run your life and mine. We could make a complete wreck of our lives without Christ. When He is at the controls, all goes well. Without Him, we can do nothing. Prayer for the day. Lord, so often I forget to give you complete control and I fail. Teach me to rely completely on you for my strength and needs.